Oh! Look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No. Look at the top of his head.
Release the dopamine. Come true, I'm waiting on your patiently.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's early morning.
Rick stink.
Oh! I tell I was stink. Give me 1 second. Hey.
Always stink.
You know what I mean? What is it?
Always stink.
We stink. Yeah, talk to yourself, my beard. Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
No.
Jesus, what is that? I think I made it ugly. Alright, peeps. So today we just wake up early morning. Today we're hitting by the road. We're gonna shoot today. Travis Lins with Ashley. You know, my Miss Jamaica friend. Yeah. You know, farmer Miss Jamaica. Big up to my Neaglefoot friend. Big up to my Olivefoot friend. Bye-bye. Have a shoot. Me, Miss PSYNOS, Amaris, the drone master. Sing J, my artist. Yeah, man, you know, Sing J, my artist. He's also a videographer and a director. And J, my road manager. Lance Dedeto, you don't know. Skater die / photographer and videographer. You hear that? Jesus. Termite on your mouth. Jesus. You saw this on your mouth head, termite. Oh my God. Okay. But anyway, peace, I can get ready. Go and put on some clothes and things. Cause we are talk soft, cause we know how we wake up baby PSYNOS. You're gonna get left today, me happy. Freedom is coming to... I'm not worried, my head not trim off. I just that my trim today. And my PSYNOS box up a style for me. Me look the normals and things. Yeah.
You said no. Okay.
Normals, you know what I mean? Cause before it never look normal. No, my ear look normal. It made it look like kangaroo.
I could have said she make my ear look nice. Big difference.
I mean, I talk about where you take it personal for your head.
Alright. But that's my style when I give you.
Yeah, your style. Are you can? Now you can grow and see people like you know. You know what I say? Remember quiz you. Did you know that cane row were used back in the days as a map for slaves? You didn't know that?
For what?
Cane row were used as a map for slaves. They separate them in 4 and the map, they save them, put them together. It's a language also. Cane row, seriously.
A map?
Yeah.
For the free? I have to research that. Yeah, like, I thought you were low-key joking.
No, I'm not joking.
I learned something new.
Real meds.
What was one of those?
Thanks, girl. Anyway, peeps, me have a little pink. Well, me not no pink, and me I red. Because catch one ET from baby PSYNOS. Hey, girl, stop, me get sick now. Hi, guys. But anyway, we're there. We'll go up on the road. I'll get ready. And, yeah, we're not going to join the way. You know what I mean? I must be thinking, bro. Oh! Jesus. Good morning, everybody. So here we are. You know what I mean? I'm ready. I'm going to put on my clothes. The whole crew is here. Road manager up in the building. Jay, you know what I mean? Amaris, the eyes from the sky. Yeah? You know that? Killer Wheeler, aka Miss PSYNOS. You know what I mean? Up in the building. You know what I mean? The whole family we're gonna meet. Lance, the eye from behind the fence. You know what I mean? The photographer eye. So we can't poke out them outside. You not jam me through your teeth. Oh! I'm gonna chase you on the vlog. Good morning. And we have Sing J, the Connect boss, you know what I mean? Link him if you want pay your light bill and them thing there. Connect boss that, you know what I mean? Right way upon a discount a joke. Big up yourself. Sing J, the whole thing. And I go pick up my bossy friend, Miss Jamaica Flames, for 2020. 2016. I'll be a thing. Me sinus and I stabilize, you know, so I'll be a fool. But anyway, see me here. I'm go sleeveless today, I show my maga and then I call Portland. Jesus! That's something different. I feel say I got bad burner. I feel like I'm muffled that for Jamaica. Portland and Clarendon. Yeah. But with there, I'm more greasy like me there eat fritters.
Or?
I know what you're talking about, you know. Talk fast, you know. This spray near here with the alcohol, no ramp with me, yeah? I don't know what you're talking about. But anyway, we'll go link up with people, right now. We'll head up by Lance. We'll head up by Lance. No. We'll go up on a location because we'll split up the team. We're going to go shoot Ashley side and then the next side we'll go shoot Lance. You know what I mean? And we'll take it from there and just go on journey with the boy. You know what I mean?
Sorry.
It's what kind of argument? You know with the pan church ground, when you go on journey, I'm not make no lightning lick me there. Bye.
Lorenzo. Come off a road, what you do?
Ready?
My youth.
That's why I'm staying.
I'm not married no broke foot man, you know.
Ready. Guys. All of guys coming on the road. Let's go. Ready again, man.
Find a queen Jane.
All good.
What am I managing?
The Jamaican Donald Trump
No.
will never
You know you're from the
apologize.
Jamaican Donald Trump.
Let me tell
Why you
something,
can't
bro.
talk to me that I see a bike so you talk to me a while ago and you say I'm
No,
put
but
the car and the car just go to wrong.
I said before
Tell
that-
me now before, hey, let me pull over and let us know.
Someone that can't got me out, me a
Let me
bus
pull
fare.
over and let us
Me a
know.
bus fare.
Let me know right now that you're sorry. Tell me, say, hey, war. And
Fight!
More rum for me, more for rum for me, more rum for me, more rum for me. And Susan!
Jesus. Yo. Superstar.
I'm not a videographer.
Is vlogging.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Okay, of course, Sinus is holding on to her.
About my friend Lauren chop and chip her backside and chip her knees and you're looking at
Jesus Christ and mercy.
Yo, you never know what actual channel she signed up
Lauren, you're lucky. Never get a broken. Lauren, you're lucky. Lauren, you're lucky. Lauren, you're lucky. You never get a broken. You never get a broken.
Look at this dude.
Gunman into you, she like that. Gunman into you, she like that. Gunman into you, gunman into you, gunman into you, she like that.
I'm gonna run some NWC pipe in
Speed off, Jesus. Wet teasing, I'm a beam. Guess I'm a shop like you.